So today we have an amazing app and it's pretty expensive. So watch this video because I'm about to save you $150. So what you need to do, you need to go to your app store on your iPhone or iPad and type in Transcribe AI, because this is the application which actually transcribes your voice to text using the artificial intelligence. So click on the Transcribe AI, but voice to text. However, it's not very straightforward, so pay attention. You need to scroll down until you reach the app, which is free today. There it is, the one with a little owl on it. All right, this is the app you want to download. So download the app, open the app, and now you need to do, okay, this is not important, go through the introduction, blah, 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 and here you will see the plans. However, the last here, down there, one-time payment for a lifetime license is free. So tap it, download again, and you're all set. You are welcome. And here you have record voice, transcribe local files if you already have some voice files, or you can set a lot of languages, input language, output language, etc., etc. It's an amazing app.